Okay, so this is the RCSTQ, and what this is a, well, I guess you can call it like the RC stick, I guess, right? And okay, so what this is a very small extender for your controls. This part feels very flimsy, of course, so if you're not careful, you'll definitely snap this off. But this is for the DJI remote. And what that allows for is an extension so that you can extend this and it fits nicely with your Fold 2. So now I have a nice solid grip. Shake, shake. And it's held pretty tight, nice, no issues. So now I have a bigger screen to fly, and it's a nice fit. I like it. I mean, I did look for other sticks that would work nicely with this, but the ratings were on some of those other ones were not as good. This one, I just decided to give it a try, so I'm glad I got it because it's looking pretty good on this. Can't wait to fly the Mini 2 a little bit more.